sipping on that big ass mofo. It's going down and I'm right on catty. Getting brain rolling fatty. I be blowing while she blowing on me. It's a young Reap and they call me T.I.D. Yeah, this is true D. Mr. Blow off the weed. I get them fixes and they won't. Back in the days it was LSD and it was all about mushrooms. I remember this one time I was seeing cartoons in my room. Then I took some Xannies. Thought about going to my tomb but didn't OD. Now I'm all fucking in the Zoom. I'm in the scope but I ain't getting shot. I don't need that sniper. I'ma fuck that bitch raw. And I need some fucking wipers. I'm sitting like a sidewinder cause that bitch got that bite. She wanna leave me that hickey. Then I hit her with that right stick, left stick. Hit that, sipping on me. I'ma get that, smoking on that green. I want some that purple. She be geeking like that Urkel. Chillin', no squares in my motherfucking circle. I'm not out of shape cause I do some push-ups. Now B.O.B. said it, I'ma do some push-ups. Like one puff, one sip, one hoe, one bitch, one club, one VIP. I want them to strip. Oh no. Well, it's Strong Squad. Shout out to Freestyle Click, Northwest, San Antonio. It's freestyles and hooks basically, bitch. Coming down some tipping flows and tipping so slow, bitch. You should know what it is. Okay. Can I go back in? I can? Okay. Let's go. Bring it round town, knock 'em out like Mayweather. Pacquiao, cause I'm a trendsetter. But I'm not in the Philippines, but my bitch Filipina. Chillin' in Colombia with my señorita. She wants that salsa, she want beef fajita. She wants that menudo, I treat her like a cheetah. Leave her with some spots, ass prints and all. Cheetah prints on her butt cheeks, that shit look tall. Pinch that booty, kitten looty, and I'm looking like I'm fruity. Stupid chains and stupid bright ass shirts, I'm fucking groovy. Throwing up my peace sign, chunking up them doozies. Catch me at the mall, I was rocking all Gucci. Catch me tripping, but it was all fucking Gucci. In my pocket, I had 2 9mm toolies. Catch me in the country, driving a big ass dually. Got the whole shaking, pussy drooling.